Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to merge tracks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to merge your tracks on BandLab, what you need to do first is head over and open up your BandLab app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen, which is located right here, and once you tap on it here, all you gotta do is open your project and then go to the mix editor. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the track and then simply tap on the three dot icons, and there you will find an option that says merge. Simply tap on that, then select the order tracks to merge, then lastly confirm the merge and wait for the BandLab to process it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.